Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered about the mysteries beyond our world? From the dawn of time, humans have looked to the stars with a sense of wonder, curiosity, and a thirst for knowledge. The vast expanse of the cosmos has always been a source of fascination, a puzzle to be solved, a story waiting to be told. This curiosity that is so intrinsic to our nature has been the driving force behind our quest to explore the universe. In the grand scheme of our cosmic journey, we've come a long way. We've peered into the depths of the universe with our telescopes, we've sent probes to our neighboring planets, and we've even set foot on the moon. Each of these endeavors has brought us one step closer to understanding the enigma of space. But among all these milestones, there's one that stands out, a mission that has taken us farther than we ever dreamed possible. A mission that has truly pushed the boundaries of human achievement and has expanded our understanding of the universe in ways we couldn't have imagined. This is the story of the Voyager missions. Launched in the late 1970s, the twin Voyager spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were designed to explore the outer planets of our solar system. But they ended up doing so much more. They've given us an unprecedented view of our cosmic neighborhood, revealing surprising details about the outer planets and their moons, and even giving us our first glimpses into the interstellar medium. The Voyager missions are a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. They've shown us how small we are in the grand cosmos, and yet how far our reach can extend. They've shown us that the universe is full of surprises, full of wonders that continue to challenge our understanding and ignite our curiosity. Well, today we're going to delve into the fascinating journey and discoveries of the Voyager missions. In the late summer of 1977, two spacecraft named Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 embarked on an extraordinary journey. This was a voyage of discovery, a mission designed to push the boundaries of our knowledge about the universe. These intrepid explorers were designed and built by the brightest minds at NASA, with the lofty aim of exploring the outer realms of our solar system and beyond. The Voyager missions were not happenstance. They were meticulously planned to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment that only occurs once every 175 years. This alignment, known as the Grand Tour, would allow the spacecraft to use gravitational assist to journey from planet to planet, conserving fuel and time. This fortuitous alignment meant that the Voyagers could visit the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, and if all went well, continue on to Uranus and Neptune. Voyager 1 was the first to launch on September 5th, followed by Voyager 2 on August 20th. Despite the numbering, Voyager 2 launched 16 days ahead of Voyager 1 due to the unique trajectory planned for each spacecraft. Their objectives were ambitious and groundbreaking. They were to study the atmospheric conditions, magnetic fields, and moons of the gas giants. They were also tasked with capturing the first close-up images of these distant worlds. The Voyagers were equipped with a suite of scientific instruments to measure and analyze a variety of cosmic phenomena. These included magnetometers, cosmic ray detectors, and infrared radiometers, among others. The data collected by these instruments would help scientists understand the nature of the outer planets and the harsh conditions of space beyond the comforting warmth of our sun. On the day of each launch, there was a palpable tension, a collective holding of breath, as the rockets ignited and the Voyagers began their epic journey. As they soared into the sky, leaving our planet behind, they carried with them the hopes and dreams of countless individuals who had dedicated years to this mission. And with that, our twin explorers were off, venturing into the unknown. The Voyager spacecraft were on a grand tour, set to explore the outer planets of our solar system. First up on this stellar sightseeing jaunt was Jupiter, the gas giant, the king of our cosmic neighborhood. As the Voyagers approached, they discovered a world far more intricate and dynamic than anyone had anticipated. They unveiled the stunning complexity of Jupiter's atmospheric bands, the Great Red Spot, and an array of swirling storms. But the real showstopper was Io, one of Jupiter's largest moons. It was here that Voyager 1 made a jaw-dropping discovery: active volcanoes spewing molten lava into space. This was the first time we'd observed active volcanism outside of Earth, shattering our understanding of what moons could be. Next on the itinerary was Saturn, the ring-bearer of our solar system. Its intricate ring system, previously seen as a simple band encircling the planet, was revealed to be a dazzling spectacle of countless particles, ranging from tiny ice grains to massive chunks of rock, all orbiting in a delicate dance. Saturn's moon Titan also held a surprise. The Voyagers found a thick, hazy atmosphere, much denser than that of any other moon in the solar system. Beneath the shroud of haze, they suspected a landscape of lakes and rivers, but it would take another mission, the Cassini-Huygens, to confirm this. Each encounter was more than a mere flyby. They were opportunities to challenge and expand our understanding of the universe. From the tumultuous volcanic activity on Io to the mesmerizing rings of Saturn, the Voyagers revealed that our solar system was a far more diverse and dynamic place than we'd ever imagined. As the Voyagers bid farewell to Saturn, their grand tour was only halfway complete. There were still more mysteries to unravel, more worlds to discover. The next leg of the journey would take them to the outer reaches of our solar system, to Uranus and Neptune, where no spacecraft had ventured before. But the Voyager's journey was far from over. While Voyager 1 set its course for interstellar space, Voyager 2 had a few more stops to make. Not to be outdone by its twin, Voyager 2 embarked on an extended tour, where it met with the celestial oddities of our solar system, Uranus and Neptune. This leg of the journey presented opportunities for discoveries that would have been impossible from our humble home planet. First on the itinerary was Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, and the third largest in our solar system. Voyager 2's encounter with Uranus was like meeting an enigma. This icy giant, encased in a blue-green atmosphere of water, ammonia, and methane, presented a peculiar tilt. Unlike the other planets, Uranus spins on its side, its axis almost parallel to the plane of the solar system. This strange orientation, astronomers believe, is the result of a titanic collision in the planet's early history, a testament to the violent formation of our solar system. Next stop, Neptune. The furthest known planet from the Sun, this deep blue world, often called a twin to Uranus, revealed its own unique surprises. Voyager 2 found that Neptune is home to the strongest winds in the solar system. These supersonic winds, traveling at more than 1,000 miles per hour, whip around the planet, shaping and shifting the dark spots that punctuate Neptune's azure face. Both encounters were brief, as Voyager 2 was on a tight schedule. But even these fleeting visits reshaped our understanding of the outer planets and their place in the cosmic ballet of our solar system. We were reminded once again that each planet is a world in its own right, with its own history, its own climate, and its own mysteries waiting to be unraveled. With its planetary tour complete, Voyager 2 joined its twin in the quest for interstellar exploration. From here, the Voyagers would venture beyond the outer planets, to the very edges of our solar system and beyond, into the great cosmic ocean that is interstellar space. The Voyagers had completed their planetary tour, but their mission was far from over. Imagine for a moment, a pair of intrepid explorers venturing into uncharted territory. They've left the familiar behind, blazing trails into the vast unknown. This isn't a tale of terrestrial explorers. Rather, it's the story of the Voyager spacecrafts and their interstellar mission. After wrapping up their grand tour of the solar system, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 didn't just power down and call it a day. No, they had a new mission: to explore the region beyond our solar system, the interstellar space. So what does this interstellar mission entail? Well, the first key milestone was crossing the heliopause. The heliopause is the boundary where the solar wind from our sun slows down and merges with the interstellar medium, the cosmic soup that fills the space between stars. In August 2012, Voyager 1 made history by becoming the first human-made object to cross this boundary and plunge into the interstellar medium. 6 years later, in November 2018, Voyager 2 joined its sibling, marking another milestone in human exploration. These spacecraft, now over 40 billion miles away from Earth, are sending back data that's helping us understand the structure and the nature of the heliopause and the interstellar medium beyond it. They're helping us answer questions about cosmic rays and the magnetic field in this region of space. The Voyagers are not just explorers, they're ambassadors. Each carries a golden record, a message in a bottle tossed into the cosmic ocean. These records contain sounds, images, and greetings from Earth, a testament to our existence and our desire to reach out to the cosmos. Each day, the Voyagers drift further away, their signals growing fainter. Yet they continue their mission, beaming back invaluable data from the edge of the sun's influence and beyond. The Voyager spacecraft are now our furthest ambassadors, carrying a message from Earth into the cosmic ocean. On board each Voyager spacecraft is a golden record, a time capsule from Earth meant for any extraterrestrial beings that might one day find them. These golden records are not just simple disks, but rather, they are ambassadors of humanity, carrying a message from us to the cosmos. Their contents are as diverse and fascinating as the planet they represent. The records carry a variety of sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. They include greetings in 55 languages, a collection of natural sounds like the song of a humpback whale, the laughter of a human, the rustle of a gusty wind, and even the melody of a mother's first words to her newborn. But the records are not just oral representations. They also host 116 images showing the Earth, its inhabitants, and our knowledge of the universe. From diagrams of DNA to photos of diverse cultures, to the solar location of Earth, these images are a testament to who we are and what we know. The golden records are a grand gesture of hope and optimism. They represent our desire to reach out, to communicate, to share our story with beings we can only imagine. They reflect our longing to not just explore the universe, but to be a part of it, to leave a trace of our existence in the cosmic ocean. Think about it. Those records, those golden discs spinning in the vast expanse of space, carry the essence of humanity. They contain our sounds, our images, and our thoughts. They are, in a way, the most distant extension of us, journeying into the unknown, seeking connection, carrying a message of peace and unity from a small blue planet in the corner of the Milky Way. And so, even as they venture into the unknown, the Voyagers carry a piece of us with them. The Voyager missions have fundamentally reshaped our understanding of the solar system. That's an understatement. These twin robotic explorers, launched back in the late 70s, have truly revolutionized our comprehension of the cosmos.
Let's stroll down memory lane for a moment. The Voyager probes in their grand tour have visited all 4 gas giants in our solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They've gifted us with stunning images and invaluable data, revealing previously unknown details about these planets and their moons. From Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere and Saturn's stunningly intricate ring system, to the icy worlds of Uranus and Neptune, the Voyagers have left no stone unturned. But the discoveries didn't stop there. Voyager 1 made history in 2013 when it became the first man-made object to venture into interstellar space. It's out there, beyond the influence of our sun, exploring the uncharted territory of the cosmic ocean. The Voyagers have also given us a sense of our place in the universe. They've shown us that we are part of a vast, complex, and endlessly intriguing cosmic neighborhood. They've underscored the fact that our Earth is just one small planet, orbiting an average star in a galaxy filled with billions of stars. And let's not forget the golden records, those time capsules of humanity carried by each Voyager probe. These records, filled with sounds and images from Earth, are a testament to our desire to reach out, to communicate, and to make our mark in the universe. The legacy of the Voyagers is profound. They have fueled our curiosity, expanded our horizons, and pushed the boundaries of what is possible. They've inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and ordinary people to look up at the night sky and wonder. As they journey into the vast cosmic ocean, the Voyagers continue to inspire us, reminding us of our place in the universe and our unending quest for knowledge.
Even as we wrap up this cosmic journey, it's important to remember that the Voyager's mission is far from over. They continue to hurtle through space, their power systems expected to last until 2025. And even after their power runs out, they will continue to drift, silent and unpowered, through the vastness of space. Who knows what they might encounter? What new knowledge and discoveries they might make? The Voyagers are a testament to our human spirit, to our insatiable curiosity, and to our relentless pursuit of knowledge. They remind us that we are explorers, always seeking to push beyond the next horizon. And as they journey into the unknown, they carry with them a message from Earth, a message of peace and goodwill, a testament to our existence and our achievements. So, as we look up at the night sky, let's remember to keep asking questions, to keep exploring, to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. Because who knows? One day, we might just stumble upon the Voyagers again, in some distant part of the cosmos. And wouldn't that be something? If you learned something new from the video, then please give a like to the video and share your opinions in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more such content, and also share it with your friends and families.